Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make these granny squares. These are copies of the granny squares that my grandmother used to make. So you need yarn, you need a crochet hook. I have chosen 4 millimeters for this yarn. You need a needle for sewing up the ends, and you need a scissor for cutting the yarn. Okay, so I'm going to put this away, and we're going to start with color pink. So you make this loop. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's you wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times, then you take the one over the other 2 times, and then you have a loop. So, and then you just have to tighten it a bit, and you make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you join them together. The last one, in the first one, you make a slip stitch. Oh my, there. And then you make 2 chains more, and that's the first of a double crochet. We're going to make double crochets in this round or loop that we've made. Okay, so this is the first one, and it's about the same height that a double crochet has. So we're going to make 12 of them. So that's number 2. In order to make a double stitch, is you wrap the yarn around your needle hook once. You put your needle hook through the circle, and you grab the yarn and pull it through. So you have 3 loops on the crochet hook now, okay? And then you grab the yarn, you pull it through 2 of the loops, and then you grab the yarn again and pull it through the last 2, and there you have 1. So now you have 3. The first one that's made out of 2 chains, and the other 2 that are real double stitches. And then you're going to make 12 of these. Okay, I'll just do one more, and then you can pause the video and we can meet back up when we have 12 stitches, okay? See you then. So now I'm finished with 11, okay? I'll show you how to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here's the last one, the 12th. And then you're going to join this last one in the first double crochet. So the first double crochet, that's really not a double crochet, but 2 chains. So you're going to do it in the top one, 1, 2, and then the top there. And you make a slip stitch there. So now you have the first round. See? That's the first round. And if you look closely, there are going to be groups of 3. So in after 3 double crochets, you make a group of 3. You have a chain, and then you make 3 more. Then you make a chain, you make 3, a chain, 3 more. And that's how you do it all the way around. Okay? So let me show you. Now you're finished with the first round, and then you make 2 chains, 1, 2. That's the first double crochet. And then you make another one in the base of this. So not in the top hole there, but in the bigger one under. There you make the first real double crochet. So now you have 2, and now you have 3, So this is going to be a corner, okay? And in the corner, well, I mean, maybe it's not going to be the corner, but anyways. Oh yes, sorry. It's going to be the corner. Because you need to have one chain and then you do 3 more in the same. That's why it's going to be this corner, because you do 6 double crochets in the same base or place. So see, now you have 2 groups of 3. 1, 2, 3, a chain and 3 more in the same hole, okay? So now you're going to chain 1, you're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to start a double crochet after the 3rd one there. And you're going to do the same thing, a group of 3 double crochets, there's 2, this is the 3rd, then you take 1 chain and you finish with 3 more double crochets in the same hole. There. See? So now you have 2 corners. Then you take one, or make 1 chain. You skip 3 of these double crochets and make a double crochet in the hole there. Like this. So I'm showing you all of this, but it's okay. Maybe you think it's okay too, okay? Oops, there. And another group of 3. Maybe I did it too fast, but I'll show you. Okay, this is the 3rd one of the last group in this hole. So this is the 3rd corner. There's 1, there's 2, and this is the 3rd corner. Exactly the same as the other 2. We have 1 chain, then a group of 3, chain, group of 3. So those 2 groups here are in the same hole. See? They're making holes here. And there's spaces in between with 1 chain like this. 1 more chain. And then you skip 3 double crochets and you go into this hole with a double crochet, and then 2 more, then 1 chain, and then a group of 3. So this is the last corner, and there, this is the last double crochet. I hope you were able to see this. And then you make 1 chain and you slip stitch in the top one of the first, like this. Okay, so now you're finished. Okay, just go in there and get one. So now you have to hide these on the back side. And then you need the needle. We're not going to do too much, you know, just so it fastens and it's hidden. So this is how I do it. Very easy. And they're not in the same hole, see? And then it gets a little bit longer here. And we cut it so we can't see it. See? You can't see it. And then we're going to hide this thread too. I usually crochet this in so it will follow around here, and then I just cut it, but I'm not sure I did it this time. So usually I just cut it there, but I'm just going to fasten it this time. So in case you do the same thing. there. Now we're finished with this. See? So that's the middle. And then we're going to have a round of white. So here's the white yarn. And it's almost going to be the same. I put the hook through the one corner. I grab the yarn with the hook and pull it through, but not right through, you know. So, and let there be a little bit yarn here, not too short, but not too long either. Then you take both of the threads and pull them through the loop once. Okay, so that fastens it. And then you just take the longest one, and you just continue. So that's 2. No, I mean that was 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So have 3 this time. Then you do double crochets, and you can just hold it on the back, the short yarn, and it will be covered. Okay, so here is a group of 3. Then you do 1 chain, and you continue doing a group of 3 again. This round is bigger than the last round, obviously, but you know. So after this group of 3, chain 3 in the corner, you have to chain 1, then you do a group of 3 into this hole. See? Only 1 group, because it's not a corner. See, so you have a corner of a group of 3, chain, a group of 3, and then you have 1 chain, and then a group of 3, and then you have 1 chain again, and you start in the hole in the corner here with a group of 3, chain, a group of 3, just like the first one. Like this. And there's the third. So now we have the corner, the white corner, the second corner, a group of 3, chain, a group of 3. Then you have to chain again, and then you start, you know, because this is an open space, with only a group of 3, because it's not a corner. And then a chain, and then in the corner, a group of 3, a chain, a group of 3. And then a chain, and then you have the single hole here. And then you do the group of 3 here. Only once. And then you make a chain, and then in the corner, the first double crochet, second, third, so that's the group of 3, 1 chain, group of 3. I hope you're able to see this, that I'm not going too fast, but just back it up the video and you can watch it over again, okay? So here is the last group of 3. And then a chain, and then you take a slip stitch in the top, slip stitch top of the first group of 3. See, and then I just pull it through one more time. Okay, so we need the needle because we're going to sew or hide the threads. Oh my gosh, there. Sometimes it just. Okay, so like this. Oops. And then we're just going to cut it. And there, you're finished with the granny square. So I hope you found this video easy to follow. And then to join them together, I'm going to make another video, and I'm putting the link down below. So have a nice day. Bye-bye.